Hey, it's Matthew, and let's open up the Hot Wheels 2021 B-Case cars. So the first car is a 64 Corvette Stingray, number 10. So next up is a Kool Kombi, number 38. I already have one of these open, so let's check it out. So next up is a Dodge van, number 50. The Corvette Grand Sport Roadster, number 37. The Toyota Off-Road Truck, number 4. The 2020 Jaguar F-Type, 25. The NASH, number 1. The 89 Porsche 944 Turbo, number 45. And the last car is the Quick Bite, number 48. So my favorite car out of these 9 is a Jaguar F-Type. So the winner for the 2021 B case is Thomas Ruiz. So congratulations, Thomas, and you have 2 weeks to either DM me on Instagram or email me to claim your prize. So thanks for watching, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me your favorite car is out of these 9 2021 B case cars.